How to convert Google Docs to PDF. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in docs.google.com. Press enter. You will be led to the official website of Google Docs. You can see your recent documents over here. Click on the document that you would like to convert to PDF. That document will be opened. Make the necessary changes in the documents if you want. Once your document is final and you want to convert to PDF, click on the option file that you can see at top. Click on the option download. At second, you'll be able to find the option for PDF document. Click on it. Once you do that, the download will be started. Click on the open icon right next to that PDF. Now you can see over here the PDF will be opened. Your document has been saved as PDF. Like this, you can convert Google Docs to PDF. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.